and welcome to Pinktown. For today's new arrivals, we have a variety of things. Starting off, we have this elephant cuff. Then we also have this elephant magnetic pin. And the magnets on this are actually very strong. They just won't move. And we have this black and white rose, also a magnetic pin. We also have this keychain, which actually is a compact mirror. And we have this black sweater fashion keychain as well. And then here we have this quilted bucket purse. It comes with these charms. It has a long shoulder strap. And then inside is one big open pocket. And here we have these butterfly earrings in silver. You can see a pattern on the lens. And we have them in gold as well. Now these have a different backing than normal. As you can see here, they have this little clip that comes on. And we have these stud butterfly earrings. Crystal hoop style earrings. We have these rhinestone designer earrings. This one is in gold and this one is in silver. These are both studs. And then here we have is this Clover designer Apple Watch band. So these fit the Apple Watch. Here you can see we have 38, 40, and 41 millimeter watch are the ones that fit this. And these links actually can come off, so you can adjust it to your size. So we have that in gold and in silver as well.